Today we have a Mercedes C43 AMG, super cool, awesome car. It's got a big giant V8 in it, small little C-Class body. At the time, this was a super fast, super sporty car, still is a fast car. Customer complaint is the glove box does not close. So you can see what's happened. I've taken the glove box all the way apart. You can see what happens when the latch strikes the striker right here. The latch pushes back. Look right here. Little glued-in rivet came off. So what happens, if I push on that, now it's latched. So we are gonna fix that today, and I'll show you how to fix it. What I have decided to use to fix this is just a really small diameter screw. And what I'm gonna do is I've kind of sized this up to a 2mm drill bit. So the 2mm drill bit is just slightly smaller than those threads. And what we're gonna do is very carefully, at the same angle as this boss comes up, because right now the way this is mounted, it's mounted with just a plastic rivet. And it's kind of like a melted plastic rivet. So it's just a specialty rivet that's not going to be, you know, it is unavailable in the aftermarket. You have to buy this entire component. So we want to be resourceful and not just throw this whole thing away just so, you know, we could fix it with a little screw. So let's see what happens. So that's good. So now we're gonna see how this threads in here. All this stuff is plastic, so you gotta be, and it's on top of that, it's 20 years old. You have to be very careful with it because it's plastic. Okay, that's started nicely. Doesn't have to be very tight. So now let's see what happens when I put the handle back on. So the question is, does it close? Nice, closes perfect. A little bit of drilling and then screwing this in, and then we just save this entire old part from being thrown away. All right, so we've got the C43 glove box all put back together. You can see it works. We just pull this latch, it comes down. The customer complaint was when you go to close it, it wouldn't close because of that broken little piece that was not holding the latch in. Now that closes, it's good. The glove box is fixed. So this is a win. It's a win for the customer, it's a win for the shop. We're gonna keep this car back on the road without putting any parts in it except for just one little tiny extra screw that I found behind all the other little screws, right? So that's it, this car is done.